Started out with not shit. F-150 rust bucket looking nasty, them damn thing would shift. No antenna in that bitch, so the FM radio stayed with static on the guitar riffs. I could barely hit a song that was hot. Gas tanks, they running a fucking hole in my pocket. Everybody said it was an impossible long shot, but I've been shooting guns, just a little kick and walking. I've been putting together words and talk, and now I'm walking and talking security with walkie-talkies. So follow me through rocking bodies who care for my acknowledgement. Don't tell me I don't know the definition of a prodigy. I probably honestly am the last of the breed. Looking through the woods, smoking on some dirt ass weed. Not worried about what the world thinks of me, cause I don't think about the world on the daily either. Cause I get lost in my own mind, and in my mind there is no time. It's all frozen over until I thaw my emotions. And when I step into the zone, I'm a human on a throne, staying connected through mobile phone. Why's everyone looking at me? Cause I'm timeless, like my mind can go make the minute hand, give me just a minute, man. Cause people are forgetting why I'm even fucking in it, damn. People say I changed, but with time that's a given. They want me up in the nest, but never fired in the pigeon. But they hate it when you don't make it, and they pick apart what you done and criticize your motherfucking work ethic. Where I come from, I don't wanna go back. I'm swinging like Rocky all the way across the whole map. And if you hating on me, let the hate on. You putting fire in the wood stove for my next song. More cold for the heat now. I'm running this old plow and digging the ditch in the vinyl for that soul sound. From nothing to something to no spark, the slick buzzing from ghost in the model, taking pictures in public. It really is something, cause I'm simple, lonely, and rustic, and used to be the man painting dreams out of a paint bucket. Hey, cause I get lost in my own mind, and in my mind there is no time. It's all frozen over until I thaw my emotions. And when I step into the zone, I'm a human on a throne, staying connected